Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more quizzes just like this one. Today we're going to do our first English grammar quiz for beginners. There are 20 questions in this quiz. The grammar topics include to be, have, has, present simple, present continuous, there is, there are, this, that, these, those, and in, on, and at. I am going to read each question, and you have to fill in the blanks with A, B, C, or D. I will give you 5 seconds to answer the question before I give you the answer. Number 1. I, hungry, have, am, is, or has. The correct answer is B. I am hungry. Question 2. She has a date Friday. At, in, on, or on the. The correct answer is C. On. She has a date on Friday. We use on before days of the week. Question 3. There, 5 boys at the party. Are, is, be, am. The correct answer is are. There are 5 boys at the party. We have to use are because boys is plural. Number 4. This, my dog. Are, is, be, am. The correct answer is. This is my dog. My dog is singular, so we have to use is. Question 5. The dog is sleeping the sofa. At, in, on, over. The correct answer is on. The dog is sleeping on the sofa. Question 6. Jesse, his homework every night. Do, make, done, does. The correct answer is does. Jesse does his homework every night. We use does after he, she, and it. Question 7. My birthday is October. On, the, in, at. The correct answer is in. My birthday is in October. We say in before months. Question 8. Justin's party is 9 o'clock. On, the, in, or at. The correct answer is at. Justin's party is at 9 o'clock. We use at before time. Number 9. My mom, like you. Don't, doesn't, no, not. The correct answer is doesn't. My mom doesn't like you. We use doesn't after she, he, and it. Question 10. They, wonderful parents. Are, is, am, or be. The correct answer is are. They are wonderful parents. We use are after they. Question 11. The cat is sitting the box. At, on, in, under. The correct answer is in. The cat is sitting in the box. Number 12. Are my best friends. This, these, that. The correct answer is these. These are my best friends. Best friends is plural, so we have to say these. Question 13. You coming to the cinema tomorrow? Is, am, are, or do? The correct answer is are. Are you coming to the cinema tomorrow? This is the present continuous, and we have to make questions using are before you. Question 14. Miguel, a great boyfriend. Are, is, were, or am? The correct answer is B, is. Miguel is a great boyfriend. We use is after he, she, or it, and Miguel is a he. Question 15. My teacher, us a lot of homework. Give, gives, gives, gaves. The correct answer is C, gives. My teacher gives us a lot of homework. Question 16. Your dad like fishing? Does, is, do, or he? The correct answer is A, does. Does your dad like fishing? Question 17. We are eating home tonight. In, on, in the, or at. The correct answer is D, at. We are eating at home tonight. In English, we say at home and not in home. Question 18. She going out tomorrow. Doesn't, don't, isn't, aren't. The correct answer is C, isn't. She isn't going out tomorrow. This is in the present continuous because we have going, so we have to use the verb to be, isn't, before going. She isn't going out tomorrow. Question 19. I, 2 nephews and 1 niece. Am, have, has, or haves. The correct answer is B, have. I have 2 nephews and 1 niece. After I, we have to say have and not has. And finally, question 20. Are you home for Christmas? Fly, fling, flying, flying. The correct answer is C, flying. Are you flying home for Christmas? Again, we have a question in the present continuous, and after verbs that end in consonant plus Y, we just add ing. So great job! How many did you get correct out of 20? Let me know in the comment section of this video. If you had any difficulties, I have videos on all the different grammar topics we covered in this quiz. Go to the description below and you can watch my basic grammar lessons by clicking on the links in the description below. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in my next lesson.